A looping statement, it enable you to execute the statement for a certain number of time. We can enclose the statement within the loop construct, and loop construct execute the statement till the specified condition has met. So when there is a situation, if you want to execute the same statement again and again, instead of writing the statement again and again, we are using a looping. If you take an example, suppose we have to store the information of a student. Three information we have to store, like student name, student address, then student contact number. So there is a task that is given to me. I have to store the 10 student information. For one student, I have to store 3 information. For 10 student, 30 lines you have to write. So instead of writing 30 lines, I have to put all the 3 lines in a loop and it is execute 10 times. Okay, अर्थ होची मते धर गोटे स्टूडेंट पई तीनटा इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर करिवार अछि. गोटे हे गला रोल नंबर, एड्रेस, कांटेक्ट नंबर. तो सेमती 10 टा पिलांग पई मते 30 लाइन लिखिया पड़ो. Instead of writing 30 line, I have to write only 3 line and repeat that 3 line 10 times. Then what happened? आउ जो 27 टा लाइन मते लिखिवार थिला सेटा मते लिखिबा को पड़िबो. So that is the work of your looping. You can enclose the statement within the loop construct, and loop construct execute the statement till the specified condition has met. For applying the loop, we are using 3 looping construct. Looping is not of 3 type. So generally हम पचरा looping केते प्रकार हम कहबा looping 3 प्रकार. For loop, while loop. हाँ करो. हेलो.
Sir, mistakenly.
So looping is of 2 type. Okay, so generally there is a wrong concept in your mind that looping is of 3 type. So looping is not a 3 type. Looping construct is there. For loop, while loop, do while loop is called as the looping construct. But looping is of 2 type. One is fixed loop, another is variable loop. That in previous class we have discussed. Fixed loop means where the number of repetition that is known, that is called as a fixed loop. माने मते धर 1 नु 10 प्रिंट करिवार अछि त मते जणा अछि जे मो से स्टेटमेंट को 10 टाइम मो प्रिंट करिवि. आउट होची वेरिएबल लूप. The variable loop means where how many times the number of repetition is going on, so it is not we're not knowing. Suppose if I have a task that you have to store the information for the student, those are applied for the college admission. So in advance, we don't know how many students will register or giving application for the registration. So in that cases, when I store the information for a student, then it is called as the what? Your variable loop. And this looping, it is used in the 3 way, or looping construct that we are using in the 3 way. One is for loop, while loop, another is do while loop. Then first I move to for loop. In for loop, it contains the 3 parts. One is initialization, condition, Then next is increment and decrement. Initialization means we store a value where our repetition is start. Suppose I want to print from 1 to 10, my initialization, first initialization value is 1. Okay. Then condition. The condition is has checked. जे पर्यंत मु 10 value जे reach न करिछि से पर्यंत मोर repetition चलिबो. So that is a condition. Then increment and decrement. मु 1 to 10 1 increment करी देखेबी कि 2 increment करी देखेबी तो 80 मेंशन करिवि. जदि 1 increment करिवि 1 पर 2 3 4 5 एमते देखेबो. और 2 increment करिवि 2 increment हे चलला. Okay, so that is another part. The initialization, condition, then increment and decrement. So 3 part we have. So you can create an infinite loop by keeping all the 3 statements blank. Infinite loop means the looping is going on. There is means the loop is executed for the indefinite period of time. Like if I want to print from 1 to 10, then I know it is a finite loop. Means I know that my looping statement or my statement is repeated up to 10 times. But if I'm not giving any kind of condition, then in that cases what happened? I don't know how many times the repetition is going on. So that is called the infinite loop. If you want to make your looping as infinite, then you put all the 3 things as a blank. Then in for loop, we're using break and continue. We go for that. What is break and continue? Before that, I'll show some program for loop. This is simple for loop we're using.
ସାର୍ ଏ ଯୋଉ ମାନେ ଏଇଠି hash include stdio.h କଣ ପାଇଁ ମାନେ ଆପଣ ୟୁଜ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି?
Hash include stdio.h. It is a header file of C programming language. Okay.
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
In Java, for running the application, there is no requirement of any header file. As because Java only loaded the particular class at runtime when there is a requirement. এই जो सिस्टम डॉट प्रिंटलन एगुडा जो अछि सेटा ऑटोमेटिक ए पैकेज गुडा को लोड हे जाय जावा रे এই जो सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट प्रिंटलन इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम import java.lang package import java.lang package किंतु lang package ता कोन होय जते बेले हमें java प्रोग्राम ता लिखिबा सेटा ऑटोमेटिक हमर प्रोग्राम रे लोड हे जाय सेति पे हमो कोनोसी import statement किबा include statement लिखिबा दरकार नै बुझिला Java ए फैसिलिटी टा हमर रहउची बुझिपालो. Okay, then in for loop it contains 3 parts. One is I equals to 1, 1 is less than equals to 10. Yes, 1 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. So when condition is true, it come to the inner part. ये inner part को एटी कैसे हो? First I equals to 1, 1 less than 10. Condition true होला. Then एटी से print करियो कौन? Now 1 print करियो. This printing you 1. Then next phase हो जी I value टा increment होगा. 1 plus 1 2. So 2 is less than equals to 10. Yes, condition is true. This printing you 2 here. Then again 2 plus 1 3. 3 is less than 10. Yes, condition is true. It is printing you 3. Then I value is increment to 4. 4 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. Yes, it is printing you 4. So in that way it is printing you 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 then 10. So once it is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 is less than equals to 10. Condition is false here. Then before condition is false, it is printing you this 10 value. Clear? बुझिएला? समस्त बुझी पाइल? जदि बुझ पाइल हैंड रेज करो. देखियो हैंड रेज करो नले कुओ. गौरव बुझिएला?
Yes, sir.
Run the file.
D equal to
D colon enter for moving to D drive. Then Java C for loop ex dot Java. Java C for loop ex dot Java. Okay. So after compilation, then I execute the file Java for loop. Sorry, Java for loop ex. Okay, that is printing you 1 to 10. It is a simple for loop we're using. Next, another program I have to display. It is a program that add the 10 natural number, first 10 natural number and display the result. Okay, then here first I am initializing value int sum equals to 0. Okay, one variable that is defined sum equals to 0. Int I equals to 1. 1 less than equals to 10. Condition is true, so it is printing you 1. Then here sum plus equals to I. Sum plus equals to I means it is a shorthand notation. Sum equals to sum plus I. Okay, sum equals to sum plus I, it is the long form. Then previously in sum value 0 is stored. So sum रे कितने store होची 0. So 0 plus 1. So I रे value 1 रहला, 0 plus 1 it is 1. So sum रे प्रथम looping रे 1 store रहला. Then I value is increment to 2. It is printing you 2 is less than 10. Condition is true. It is going to the inner part. In inner part it is printing you 2. Okay, now in sum 1 is stored, 1 plus 2 is 3. So now in sum 3 is stored. Now I value is increment to 3, 3 is less than 10. Condition is true. It is printing you 3. Now sum there 3 store achi, 3 plus I. 3 plus I means I the value be 3 achi. So 3 plus 3 be 6 ala. Mane sum re moro 6 value store ala. तबे sum रे मोर 6 storage. Now I value is increment to 4. So 4 is less than 10. Condition is true. Then it is going to the inner loop. Then 4 print color. 6 plus 4 is 10 now. I value is increment to 5. 5 is less than 10. Condition is true. So it is printing you 5. Then 10 plus 5, it is a print color 15. Then I value is increment to 6. Condition check it. 6 is less than 10. Yes, condition is true. Then it is printing you 6. Then 6 plus 5 is now 15 plus 6 is now 21. Now 7 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. Now it is printing you 7. Now 7 plus 1, so 21 plus 7 is 28. Now 7 value is increment to 8. 8 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. It is printing you 8. Then 28 plus 8 is 36 now. Now 8 is increment to 9. And 9 is less than equals to 10. Yes, so it is printing you 9. 9 plus 6 is 45. Now 9 is increment to 10. 10 is less than 10. No, 10 is equals to 10. Condition is true. So it is printing you first 10. Then in sum 10 is added. Value is 55. I value is increment to 11. 11 is less than equals to 10. No, 11 is equals to 10. No, condition is false. Looping is over. Out of the loop, it is showing you sum of first 10 numbers is 55. Now I run the file, then you got this result.
अच्छा ଟିକେ ବୁଝେଇଲାନି।
Okay. Okay, so it is printing you 1 to 10. Then result is 55. Again, I'll tell you.
बुझे दो सर।
हाँ, बुझो. The first, this program is find out the sum of first 10 natural number. माने 1 ରୁ 10 first 10टा number addition मते show करियो. First of all, sum बाहर करिवा को हेले मु गोटे integer variable एटी define कली int sum equals to 0 गोटे value मु एटी initialization कली गोटा 0 होला. तापरे मोर गोटे for loop start कली. For loop रे कोन होला ना int I equals to 1 एटी पास कली. तो 1 is less than equals to 10 तो एकटा लेस देन होची कि नहीं
आगे सर
तो 10 हला तो जेहेतु 10 अछि
True.
सेटा इनर लूप को आसिला इनर लूप रे मते 1 प्रिंट कला जोटा के एठी हमर आउटपुट देखौतला जे देखिबो एठी 1 प्रिंट कला बुझियला तापरे ए जो लाइन रो अर्थ होची ए लाइन जगह रे हमें एमती भी लिखि परिबा sum equals to sum plus I एटा होची शॉर्ट हैंड नोटेशन यार और जो शॉर्ट हैंड नोटेशन होची सम रे मोर आगुरु केते स्टोर अछि जीरो स्टोर अछि तो 0 प्लस आई रो वैल्यू केते अछि 1 अछि बुझिला
1
तो 0 प्लस 1 हैला 1 एबे मोर सम
One.
केते स्टोर अछि 1 हैला बुझिला
आगे
एबे आई रो वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट हबो 2 1 टा हबो 2
2
2 is less than 10 condition
2
is
less than 10 2
2 एटी प्रिंट कला तापर एटी मोर सम रे केते स्टोर अछि 1 अछि
2 plus
तो 2 plus 1 हैला 3
1 अच्छा
बुझ पाइलो
3 हां सर बुझियला
एमती करके
आगे
से
सर
करके पूरा 55 जाए देखिए
आगे
बुझिला तो डाउट क्लियर है तो
आगे सर
ठीक है then next program is multiplication table multiplication table of 7 सातक पणिकेडे शो करियो so for 7 multiplication table we are defining a variable int a equals to 7 मटे आउटपुट ता देखो जी तापर हमें कंपेयर करिवा केमती होची इजियर हो Okay, 7 into 1 7 7 into 2 14 7 into 3 21 7 into 4 28 up to 7 into 10 70 so how it is work now a equals to 7 okay then int I equals to 1 1 less than equals to 10 condition is true 1 is less than 10 then we are defining int c equals to 7 into 1 is 7 तो एटी मोर रहला कोन रिजल्ट आसिला 7 a रे मोर केते अछि a रे 7 अछि a हैला 7 देन कॉन्कार्डिनेशन ऑपरेटर माने मिसै की शो करियो लाइन टा को 7 देन ये जो स्टार टा को शो करिया पे कॉन्कार्डिनेशन में पास करला 7 into star 7 star then I रो वैल्यू एटी 1 अछि 7 into 1 then equals to हमें शो कले कॉन्कार्डिनेशन में equals to एटी प्रिंट कला
7
then एटी 7 प्रिंट कला c रो वैल्यू 7 अछि then I रो वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट हैला 2 तो 7 into 2 it is 2 is less than 10 condition is true so int c equals to 7 into 2 7 into 2 is 14 एबे 14 प्रिंट करिवो तो a रे वैल्यू केते अछि ना 7 into I रे वैल्यू अछि 2 equals to c रे वैल्यू एबे 14 अछि एबे 14 छोड़ पुनी I रे वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट हवा 3 तो int c equals to a into I a रे वैल्यू केते अछि 7 अछि 7 into 3 is 21 now a रे वैल्यू हला 7 I रे वैल्यू हला 3 7 into 3 equals to 21 तो एटी हमते प्रिंट कला 21 बुझियला तो एमती से प्रिंट करेगी जो 7 into 10 70 जाए से जीवो बुझियला ना कार डाउट अछि पचारो
सर प्लस सीटा एटा कोन जो
प्लस मींस कॉन्कार्डिनेशन माने दीटा का स्टेटमेंट को जॉइन करबा पई हेले कॉन्कार्डिनेशन ऑपरेटर यूज करे कॉन्कार्डिनेशन दिस जॉइनिंग द टू स्टेटमेंट मु आ पर जति आ किछि जॉइन करबे कि किछि स्टेटमेंट यूज करबी then again I am passing a plus symbol so here plus symbol is not used for addition को
सर सी जगह रे सर मु डी बसैबे होबनी
जदि मु एटी डी नेबी ताले हबो इंटीजर डी एटी मु जदि डी नेबी ताले मु एटी डी प्रिंट करबी
आया
जो भी वेरिएबल तमे नबो से वेरिएबल ता तमे एटी शो करबो बुझियला
आया सर
एटा
आज्ञा
वेरिएबल पर डिपेंड होय
कॉन्कार्डिनेशन
break and continue will discuss here so what is the work of break statement break statement that stop the execution of the remaining statement within the looping statement suppose I'm creating a looping which is display from 1 to 10 but after 5 I don't want to continue the looping so at that timing we are using break statement माने मते 1 नो 10 प्रिंट करिवार अछि लूपिंग रे बट मो 5 परे आउ प्रिंट करबा को चाहूने so in that case when I write the break statement it will display from 1 to 5 then when it is display the 5 then it is break your looping and remaining part it is not displayed to you so that is the work of a break then next is continue statement the continue statement that skip all the statement following the continue statement and move the control back to the loop statement continue means it is skip the particular statement or particular line suppose I want to display from 1 to 10 and after 4 if I don't I want to only skip the 4 element or 4th step that in that scenario I am using continue statement when I say print karibo 1 2 3 when it is 4 it is skip the 4 now 4 ta mate au display karibo so 1 2 3 5 6 5 6 7 8 9 10 4 ta मजरे देखिबो तो जो एलिमेंट ता मते स्किप करिवार अछि बा देखैबा को मु चाहूने तो से जगह रे मो कंटिन्यू यूज करी ब्रेक हेले मो लूपिंग टा को पूरा से स्टॉप कर दब आउ से आगो को एग्जीक्यूट करियो तो ब्रेक स्टेटमेंट दैट स्टॉप द execution of the remaining statement within the body of the loop. Okay. to print from 10 to 20 so 10 to 20 जाए मतलब print देखियो again minus 15 it is break the loop तो 15 पर मते आ किछि शो करिवन देन मैं एग्जीक्यूट करूची java c execute 10 11 12 13 14 14 पर तो मोर एग्जीक्यूट करिवन the work of break then same program this continue 10 to 20 but we're using a in place of break we're using continue statement but when it is okay so continue statement is used only the skip the particular statement so here we have given a condition when your value is 15 it is skip that number then printing other value okay work of continue
ଏଠି 14 15 15 सर नाही कम है
कंटिन्यू हमें यूज कले जदी a रो वैल्यू 15 हबो सेठी हमर कंटिन्यू करबा हमें जो वैल्यू जगह कंटिन्यू यूज करबा से वैल्यू टा को से स्किप करबो जदी हमें 16 लिखते आंदे ताले 15 टा
हमें कितना सीखना है
हमें जो वैल्यू नबो से वैल्यू टा से स्किप करबो फॉर एग्जांपल हमें गोटे कंस्ट्रक्ट पढ़िले looping first construct is over then next class while loop and do while loop तो काली हमें while loop और do while loop का concept पढ़िवा then we go program बुझिएगा ठीक है नोट शेयरिंग
सर लोग तो कोई एटी प्रॉब्लम
और बहुत अछि ये तीनटा में तुम देखि और सब
आउरी इधर प्रैक्टिस कर
पठे देबी प्रोग्राम सब पठे देबी हैला मु डू व्हाइल लूप पठे देला परे कर देला पढि सला परे और जो प्रैक्टिस सब अछि और सब सेट पुरा पठे देबी हैला
ओके